In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails with ClickUp. We'll walk through setting up a simple automation that sends an email when something important happens to a task. Before you start, make sure you're signed into the right workspace and that you have permission to manage automations in the space you're using. If your send email action isn't available, you may need your admin to enable the email ClickUp or connect an email account first. Begin in ClickUp and head to the space where you want emails to be automated. Choosing the correct space matters because automations you create here will apply to the tasks inside this space or any lists you include. Open the space, then look for the three-dot menu next to its name. This is the Space Options menu that holds settings and tools you'll use for setup. From that menu, select Automation to open the builder. This is where you define the rule, what should happen, and when. Start by choosing a trigger. The trigger is the event that tells ClickUp it's time to send an email. Common triggers include when a task is created, when a status changes, when a due date arrives, or when an assignee is added. Pick the one that matches your workflow. For example, if you want to notify a client the moment a task is marked complete, choose the status change trigger and specify the exact status. Next, choose the action. Select Send Email. You'll see options to decide who receives the message, what the subject says, and what the body should include. You can target recipients like a task's assignee or watchers, or type a specific email address if your plan allows it. To keep messages relevant, use dynamic fields so each email pulls in details from the task. Insert placeholders such as task name, status, due date, or assignee, so the email reads like it was written for that item. Keep the subject clear and actionable, and keep the body concise. If you work across time zones, include clear dates and times to avoid confusion. When your trigger and action look good, click Create to save the automation. Give it a descriptive name so teammates recognize what it does and confirm it's toggled on. It's a good idea to try a quick test in this space. Update a sample task to fire the trigger and confirm the email arrives as expected. If it doesn't, double-check the trigger conditions, the space scope, and that the recipients are valid. That's it. You've set up automated emails in ClickUp. With the right trigger and a well-crafted message, you'll keep everyone informed without manual follow-ups.